Guys, today we are gonna make a salad sandwich. That's for days where you kind of want to eat a salad, but you just want that comfort of a handheld sandwich. Let's do this. So a salad sandwich is all the stuff that I would put in a big salad bowl. I'm gonna sandwich it between two slices of bread, but I don't want my bread to get soggy, so I'm gonna show you how to properly layer the sandwich so you can make the best of both worlds. So the first thing I'm gonna do is spread a little bit of mayo on my bread. I like enough mayo to just sort of wet the bread so my green or my salad sticks and stays in place. So that's how I like to make it. Now I do have an avocado and egg salad video on this channel, which I often load it in the salad sandwich and omit the avocado itself. And the more in my sandwich, the better. So on one side of my bread is where I'm gonna load up my salad by getting some salad greens. I have arugula here, but you could also use spinach or kale, whatever that you like to build a big salad bowl with. And yes, the idea is to put a lot of greens so you feel like you're eating a salad. I have a ripe tomato that I'm going to slice, a couple of slices of tomato. I do have a video on this channel on how to keep your tomatoes fresh and ripe, or how to store them in the refrigerator. Make sure to check on that if you're getting some really juicy, fresh tomatoes and you want to know how to make them last longer. So let me go like this so you guys can see, get a good visual on how we're gonna layer up this salad sandwich. The reason I put the tomato on top of the salad greens is that if you put a tomato directly on the bread, sometimes it's really juicy, the bread will get so soggy and soak it all up. So that's why I put all my salad greens at the bottom. So to my tomato, I also have a very ripe avocado that I'm going to slice some up. Place my avocado slices on top of my salad sandwich right there. I also have some thinly sliced red onions. So if you like onions, place them on your sandwich. You can also grill these and make them grilled. Now, just like on a salad, you would drizzle some of your favorite dressing right over the top. I have some homemade ranch here, which I show you how to make it in this video on this channel. It's super simple ingredients. They all go in a jar. You give it a good shake and ranch dressing is ready to go for about a week in your fridge. To hold our salad down, I'm adding 2 slices of provolone cheese, but you can get any kind of cheese that you want right over the top. And then we hold it with another slice of bread. All right, guys, take a look up close at this salad sandwich. Let's check out what it looks like in the inside. It's giving it a slice. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's everything you love in a salad bowl, in a sandwich, in some super soft bread. Perfect. I do highly recommend that you add the salad dressing so that it's moist, also all the ingredients, so your greens don't feel dry. Now tell me in the comments if you are team turn salad into a sandwich like this one, or turning a sandwich like the BLT into a salad, which, oh, I have a video on a BLT salad on this channel that you are gonna love to pack for lunch. Now, if you need lunch ideas galore, I have a playlist for you on this channel, as well as 101 Pack Lunches ebook, which you can download in the link below this video. Now, hit that red subscribe button. You and I get to make lunches, snacks, dinners, and so much more. See you next time.